Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup to explore their individual strengths and see which one might be considered better in different situations. We'll dive into what makes each of these three sisters so special and how their distinct personalities and powers contribute to their team. It's a fun way to appreciate the unique qualities each Powerpuff Girl brings to the table, making them an unstoppable force together. Bubbles, often seen as the most innocent, brings incredible and often underestimated powers to the team. Her supersonic scream is a formidable weapon, capable of disarming villains and breaking through tough defenses. Beyond her raw power, her ability to communicate with animals provides invaluable insights and assistance in many missions. Her compassionate heart also means she often seeks peaceful solutions, demonstrating a different kind of strength that is equally vital for the team's success. Now, let's turn our attention to Blossom and Buttercup, who offer a powerful combination of brains and brawn. Blossom's leadership and strategic thinking are crucial, guiding the team with her sharp mind and powerful ice breath. Buttercup, on the other hand, is pure power and determination. Her incredible strength and fearless approach make her an unstoppable force in close combat. Together, they form a formidable duo, complementing each other's abilities to tackle any threat that comes their way. So, which Powerpuff Girl is better? The truth is, it's not about one being superior to the others. Each sister brings unique and essential qualities to the team. Bubbles offers empathy and unique communication skills, Blossom provides strategic brilliance and leadership, and Buttercup delivers raw power and unwavering courage. It's their combined strengths, working together in perfect harmony, that truly makes them the ultimate crime-fighting trio, protecting their city with their diverse talents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.